ba? So, if you can read my lips nung may kausap ako, di ba? Lunes, sa Lunes eh. Yan bawal po gamitin ito. Watching from Vienna, si Felix Sangalong. Sangalang. Okay. Naku, ganun ba yon? Maricoy. Takumi, yes. Ayan. Naku, ang haba talaga nung kausap ko, mga ka-clear. Naku. Taka sa ICC, naku. Pinagpawisan ako doon sa kausap ko. Hindi niyo ba nakita, mga ka-clear? Pinagpawisan talaga ako. Pinagpawisan ako. Diba? Magsasaya na ka na ba? Basta pinagpawisan ako. Pinagpawisan tayo. Hindi talaga timing sa Rappler. Alam naman natin ang Rappler. Verified yan, always. Yan maglalabas na hindi yan verified. Laktete. Saan naman si Laktete? Ayan. Confirmed. Kailang, pinagpawisan ako talaga. Sige, labas natin. Yan, ito naman. Ito pala mga clear. Itong ating pinag-uusapan dito. Nasaan ang ating disclaimer? Disclaimer muna. Ayan. This vlog is being done by Atty. Claire Castro in her personal capacity and does not necessarily reflect the views and pronouncements of the PCO, the Palace, nor the President. Thank you. Bye. Hindi pala. So ito mga ka-clear, tingnan natin basahin natin to. Gaano katotoo? An arrest warrant has been issued by the ICC against former President Davao City Mayor Rodrigo Duterte. Informed sources told Rappler. The warrant was said to have been issued Saturday morning, March 8, Philippine time. But this could not yet be independently verified. Pero merong source na nagsabi sa Rappler. Okay? The ICC has made no official announcement and may not necessarily issue one. Pero yan meron nga ba? 2 weeks ago, there have been word that a warrant was forthcoming and that the PNP had to put in place an arrest plan. So, umiingay pala. So, hindi naman ilalabas ito ng Rappler kung hindi credible yung source nila. Pero para syempre, we have to verify it independently. But this could not yet be independently verified. Yan. So, kailangan syempre alamin pa na natin ang susunod na kabanata. Pero, hindi ilalabas ng Rappler ito. Diba? Kung mayroon. Diba? Siyempre, kung ito ay may action plan, ang gobyerno mismo, hindi pa ito maglalabas. Merong nag-leak sa Rappler. Diba? Okay, let us see. Let us see by Monday what will happen.